ASMR. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I groom my eyebrows. And my eyebrows has been like this for a good while. Like, I've been growing them out just for this purpose because I really like the idea of thick brows, so I purposely grew them out. And I will be using wax and also this eyebrow kit I got from Amazon, and it has scissors, 4 different types of tweezers. It has this eyebrow pencil, which I'm not sure I'm gonna use, this eyebrow brush and comb, and also the razor. So hopefully it works. And I'll also be using my wax kit from Tress Wellness, and I'm not sure if this video will be up before that one, but I did do a specific video using the wax kit on my body, so whichever one is before, it should be in the cards. Either way, it should be in the cards or on my channel. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I brought you guys in closer, and hopefully it looks so much better. Don't mind my edges, that's not the focus of this video, but this is the first time I'm actually using wax on my brows. This is the eyebrow pencil that came in the kit. It says it's perfect waterproof, and it has a brush, so I'm just gonna get that and brush up my hairs like so. I just need to shape them up so they look decent. ASMR. So I'm just gonna cut along the edges right there into the shape. Hopefully I didn't cut off that much. Like, growing out my brows these past few months, I guess, has been so hard, because doing your brows when the hairs are all over the place and the shape is just not there is so much harder. I'm very excited for this, and especially since I'm waxing it, it's gonna take a lot longer to like go back out. That looks so much better already, but we're not done yet. Usually back in the days, that's what I do. I just like brush them up, trim it, and then use the razor to like line it up, and then that's it. And I found that when I did that, my brows looked a lot more thinner, which I don't really understand how, but it did. And this is the part I hate, because I can't do anything, because when I try doing it like that, the hairs go back down, and if I try to like do this, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So I'm not sure how. What a time to not be ambidextrous. So looking. So next I'm gonna have my white eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna use it to line where I want to put the wax, and also to make the shape. Not really sure to really explain it, but you'll see. So I'm gonna put it, basically I'm just gonna line my brows Honestly, that's basically it. Should have just said that from the jump. Just gonna line my brows. Like so. Just gonna line it where I want it. Like so. And the kit, the Trust Wellness waxing kit, comes with wax, little popsicles for your face. So if you want to wax your lips, you can do that. If you want to wax your brows, you can do that. These are for the face. So just gonna let that dry. It's not gonna take that long to dry anyways, but as you can see, I put the wax on the white line just so I know the guide to follow. Don't go below or over the white line, just go on the white line and you should be good. And when you're putting on the wax, pull your skin tight like that. So, and also when you're pulling it, you have to pull your skin again. So let me see, maybe I can try pulling it off now. Oof. And as you can see, I'm doing it in sections because it's easier that way and safer that way. So just try not to do it in one go. At least if you have something to do, like you have a busy day, this is not one of the tasks you should take up. So this is under the eyebrow done already. Smooth and clean. I'd rather not spend too much time on it because I don't want it to be red and irritated. And this is why you actually cut off the long hairs in the beginning, because you don't want the wax to like get hooked to those hairs, even though naturally it might get hooked to it while I'm doing it now, but you wouldn't want them to be hooked on, you wouldn't want the wax to be hooked on the long hairs. And because my hairline is like close to my brows, it's especially painful because I feel like I'm pulling out some of my hairline as well in the process, but that's fine. At least my brows won't get lost in my hairline. So next I'm gonna get the micellar water just to clean off the eyebrow pencil from my eyebrow. Brush the ears up again and trim the pieces that I missed, like right here. I'm gonna use the razor that's in the kit just to finish like lining everything up. And then what I do is like pull my brow up like that. So I didn't think I would like try to actually fill my brows in, but since they gave me the eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna try to see how good it is. Not bad. It's not perfect as it says perfect, whatever we put. So now I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch me do this side, and then after I'm finished with this side, I'm gonna do in the middle right here. So guys, these are the brows freshly done, and this brow is my favorite. This brow is not, it stops growing right here, hence why it's shorter than this one. So I didn't take it off, that's just how it is. And yeah, that's it with little to no brow pencil. As you can see, I only used the brow pencil because I wanted to see how pigmented it was, since it's an Amazon, you know, Amazon product. I'll also leave the link to the eyebrow kit down below in the description, and I'll also leave a link down below to the Tress Wellness waxing kit. And if you use that link, it will also give you some money off, so get on that right away. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it and it was helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And also don't forget to check out the video that I did specifically around this wax kit. I speak more about the wax kit in that video, and it should be before this one, so go and check it out, and I'll leave it in the cards as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.